Taking your fun with you, coming up next on The Barry Foster Show. And welcome to The Barry Foster Show, coming to you from the Ridge Floor Studios in the City of Charm, beautiful downtown Avon Park. As always, any thoughts, ideas, or suggestions, just put them in the comments below, or you can send us an email at thebarryfostershow@gmail.com. Thanks to our fine and brave sponsors, Ridge Florist, for the most beautiful original arrangements you'll find anywhere. Right there at the Design Center, 111 Memorial Drive, just north of the intersection of Memorial and the Sebring Parkway in Sebring. Give them a call at 863-382-4477, or you can go up on the web at ridgefloristinc.com. Tell them Barry sent you by. Strangely Warmed Coffee. Steve and Jerry do a great job over there. The best coffee on the planet. And Pulse of the Heartland, a brand new newspaper, waiting on racks and stands even as we speak. You know, Sandra and I do Florida fun travel all the time. And, you know, we've read a lot of travel blogs offering advice on how should we pack for a trip. You know, there's articles explaining how to roll your clothes to save space, why you should carry your toiletries in plastic bags, what you ought to keep in the car, everything from automotive toolkits to first aid bags. There's dozens and dozens of great suggestions. A lot of them are designed to provide for our creature comforts when we hit the road. But you know what? There's one thing we've never seen on any packing list, and that's fun. That's right. We believe the most important thing you can take on any trip is your fun. It's lightweight, it's compact, it doesn't take up any room in the suitcase, and when you bring it along, you can have a good time almost anywhere, because even the best laid vacation plans can go awry. Road construction can put you behind schedule. Stuff that was supposed to take 20 minutes consumes like 2 hours. You can spend too much time shopping and suddenly discover that your carefully planned dinner reservations have been knocked completely askew. That's when you reach into your luggage and pull out your fun. Sandra and I think that we're guided by the Lord. And that being said, if we lose out on one thing, we believe there's usually something even better waiting for us. We can head down the wrong road, miss a turn, may wind up somewhere completely different from where we planned to be. But we believe there's a reason for that. In fact, some of the best times we've ever had and some of the most interesting things we have seen have come about because something didn't go according to Hoyle. That's why we believe taking your fun with you may be the single most important part of packing for any trip. I mean, think about it. What good does it do to go sour because something's gone wrong? A bad attitude doesn't repair the situation. It pollutes everything else that comes along. If you allow it, that disappointment can even reach backward and spoil the memory of the things that you've already enjoyed. We prefer to look at the speed bumps and the detours as opportunities, chances to explore and discover things that we never knew existed. Certainly, the smartphone has made it easier. We can search for nearby restaurants, we can look for attractions, interesting stops, and it only takes a matter of seconds. But we still rely on some of the old-fashioned methods. We ask the locals, we look around, and we pay attention to anything that appears or sounds interesting. On one occasion, I remember, we actually followed the sound of a live band and discovered a collection of very interesting little restaurants. As it turned out, the music was a bit louder than we wanted, so we chose the restaurant across the street. We still enjoyed the band, but at a volume that allowed us to enjoy our dinner as well. That's what taking your fun is all about. It means being willing to roll with the flow. It means not allowing a missed reservation, an unexpected delay, a wrong turn to ruin your trip. It means remaining open to the possibility that something just as interesting, or perhaps even better, is waiting just around the next corner. So when you're packing for your next trip, remember the comfortable shoes, remember the first aid kit, remember the phone charger, the snacks, all those things that the travel experts recommend. But most of all, make certain your fun is packed and easily accessible. Be ready to enjoy whatever the journey has to throw at you, because in the end, taking your fun with you really is about one simple thing: an attitude of gratitude. We're very much appreciative for all our listeners out there. We appreciate you, and we appreciate our sponsors like Steve and Jerry over at Strangely Warmed Coffee. I just can't start the day without my Peruvian dark. I've run low before, and it's a harrowing experience, but it gave us a great opportunity. We got a chance to go down there, see Steve and Jerry, and he showed us some new things he had, like the sampler pack, and he was giving away coffee bags. I mean, the big burlap coffee bags with any purchase. So we bought some coffee. It was just that simple. And we took home a bag with us. Steve is just that kind of guy. If you want to find out more about Strangely Warmed Coffee, you can go to strangelywarmed.com, Strangely Warmed Coffee Roastery on the Facebook, or you can give them a call at 863-273-9404. Strangely Warmed Coffee. Try them today. And remember, when you travel and in life, take your fun with you. You'll be more than happy that you did. As we continue to look for truth, justice, and the American way, this is Barry Foster. We'll see you next time.